New feature for PixelYourSite, we can track WooCommerce product data for any custom event. And we have a use case in mind. I have another video explaining exactly that use case, but this will be a short one. I will just explain what it does. So if you don't know already, PixelYourSite allows you to track any action or a lot of actions with our custom events. We have events fired for WooCommerce automatically. We have our own events fired for key actions, but you can also configure your own events, custom events. And you can do this from here, event page, add new. I will not configure a new event because I have other videos on the channel explaining how to do all this, all our triggers, and there are plenty. And we have conditions that can, narrow the trigger even more. But what I want to show you is this option. When you configure the event for a tag, let's say meta, you can now say track WooCommerce product data. And if the event is fired on a WooCommerce product single page, we will track that product data, or track WooCommerce cart data. And on a WooCommerce website, if there are products in the cart, we will track the cart data on any page. So it doesn't matter where you fire the event, we will track the data, the items from the cart, in a similar way we will do for a normal WooCommerce, let's say initiate checkout event. So that's the event fire on the checkout page. So the same kind of parameters will be tracked with this option on for any event you want to configure. And the use case, I have another video explaining exactly how to implement it. It's about add payment, no, not payment info, add shipping info, I think. It's an event for Google Analytics. I opened a meta tag, but that video explains exactly how to do it for Google Analytics, how to fire that event when the form on the checkout page gets data in one of the fields, and then how to use the default name for that particular action. And when you enable the track WooCommerce cart data, we will use all the data in the cart, and that event will have the expected data, what Google expects to see for such an event. So this is just an example of how to use these new two options. Any tag we support will get that feature. So for example, Bing, you can do the same. And even Google Tag Manager, if you use it, will have that two options as well. So this is it. It's a small thing, but maybe some of you will find it useful if you want to have your own events, but also to track dynamically what's in the card on a WooCommerce website, or if that custom event is fired on a product page, the product data itself. I'm Christian Stoichescu from PixelYourSite. This is PixelYourSite Professional. We have other plugins on PixelYourSite.com, quite useful. So visit our website for more info. And this is something you must do. You must subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching.